Hey crafty friends, it's me again, Carol with Carol's Cricut Crafts. In this video, we'll do a quick look at the new Cricut Explore 5. Like the previous machines, it does have a print and cut sensor. It writes, draws, foils, and scores, and precision cuts over 100 materials. I'm really excited to show you this. I'm so lucky to have received the Explore 5 Essentials bundle, so we'll take a quick look at what's included in that. Be sure to keep watching right till the end of the video. I have another fun new product to show you. And here it is, the new Explore 5. Gorgeous, so sleek and modern looking. And it's 30%, approximately 30% lighter and smaller than previous Explore machines. It does have the drop-down tray and the opening for your tools or candy. You can store candy in there. I have crafting candy. As before, it does have the carriage for your pens and markers or for your blades and scoring tools. So this is it. There are 6 bundles for the Explore 5, just like there are for the Joy 2. I received the Essentials bundle to preview with the machine. Just terrific, so I will show you that. If you'd like links to take a look at all the other bundles, the links will be in the description right under this video. We can close this up and I'll show you what's included in my bundle. I will be posting more videos with projects that I'll make with the 2 new machines, the Explore 5 and the J2. So let's see what's included in the Essentials bundle. Of course, you have your warranty information and your user guide. We'll just put that here out of the way. We have a 12 by 12 light grit mat. We have a 2-place insert cards. Terrific. Make 2 at a time. And it does include a 13-inch trimmer. We have weeding tools, a double-sided pen. We have a scraper. We have a flexible ruler like I showed you for the Joy 2. This is terrific. You can wrap it around your mugs and tumblers. Really terrific, and it is in imperial and metric measurements. This is the new format for the scoring tool. Let's just put that here. This is the new format for the scoring tool. When you receive your Explore 5, you'll receive it with the steel blade housing like there was before, but in future there will be a new format for the blade also. So we'll watch for that and I'll let you know when it is available. But this will be the new format for the scoring tool, all in one piece. Really terrific. So we'll just put that back in here. And I'll put that up here. So much to show you. And let's take a look at the materials that come with the Essentials bundle. Oh boy, there's lots. We have printable vinyl. We have value cardstock, lots of colors. We have an insert card. We have smart iron-on, oh terrific, in several colors. We have transfer tape. And we have smart vinyl, all terrific. These are really terrific, so let's put them here. And we'll get this out of the way. So this bundle I'm showing you, again, is the Explore 5 Essentials bundle. Really terrific. I'm so happy to have it. I will be posting more videos, and I'll show you projects that I create with this machine. So be sure to watch for those. And one last thing I wanted to show you is Cricut is releasing a new format for their pens. They are migrating to one size pen and marker that will fit all machines. So the new pen sets will include an adapter. Let's open this up and I'll show you the adapter. Get that out of here. This is the adapter that you will use when you're using your Maker 4, Explore 4, or previous machines, and the Venture. You'll use this one size of pen that will fit all the machines now. You'll just put the pen into the adapter. I'll show you more about that. I will create a project with it in my Maker 4. If you're using any of the new machines, the pens will fit right in. No need for the adapter. So the adapter will be for the older machines and the Venture. So let's just put this away. So this is a fun new idea. I think it's terrific that there will be one size of pen for all machines. I'm really thrilled that Cricut is migrating to one size of pen with an adapter for the older machines, rather than having pens for some machines and different pens for newer machines. This is a great idea. So I hope you've enjoyed this short video. As I mentioned, if you want to see more about all the bundles that are available, just check the description under this video. Please leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of these new products. And if you have any questions, leave that in the comments too, and I'll be sure to check and respond. Don't forget to watch for more videos. I'll be making projects, and thank you for watching.